Welcome to this section on EC2 basics. In this section, we'll get started with EC2 with the basic stuff. So what is EC2? I guess you know, but EC2 is one of the most popular of AWS offering. And basically, this is the basis of everything that will happen for Amazon. It mainly consists in the capability of renting virtual machines, and they're called EC2 machines. But there is something else. You can also store data on virtual drives, and that's called EBS. You can distribute load across machines, and that's called an elastic load balancer, or ELB. And you can scale the services using an auto-scaling group called ASG. So all these concepts are going to be detailed in this course in depth, in great depth, but I wanted to give you a high-level view of what EC2 is. Knowing EC2 is really fundamental to understand how the cloud works. Renting virtual server on the cloud is really key to understanding how any cloud provider, not just AWS, work. Okay, so that was like a super high level overview of EC2, and we're gonna do a deep dive into every of these services in the course later. But for the meantime, just remember this: you can rent machines, store data, distribute load, or auto scale your applications and instances. All right. Well, see you in the next lecture.